Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Revolution Pro brow products. So I have the Define and Fill Brow Pencil and I have the Brow Volume and Sculpt Gel. Now, I believe her name is Stephanie Tom. Yeah, Stephanie Tom. I know she tried these in one of her videos. It wasn't recent. I think it's going way back now, but I know she tried these two products in her video and she absolutely loved them. So I thought to myself, well, I'm gonna give these a go for myself and see if I like the formula and see how they look on my eyebrows. Well, and not to mention Revolution Pro is so affordable and they bring out so many new products all the time because they are connected with Makeup Revolution, and that is a great brand. So yeah, let's give these products a go and try them on my eyebrows. So, if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So, let's get started by trying out these two brow products from Revolution Pro. Right, so I've scooched the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see me applying the brow products. So both of these. So the brow pencil retails for £6 on the Superdrug website and the brow gel retails for £7. So this is £1 dearer. Sometimes they do have these on a sale, so feel free to check that out. They might have it on Beauty Bay or the Revolution website. So I have both of them in the shade Warm Brown. So they come in the brow gel comes in 4 different shades and this brow pencil comes in 3 different shades. So it has warm brown, it's got ash brown and dark brown, and exactly the same for this one, dark brown, ash brown and clear. So if you don't want any color to the eyebrows, you have got a clear option. So this is what the boxes look like. They come in these really nice gold cardboard boxes. Right, so let's try the brow pencil first. So I'm just going to take this out of the box. I like the fact the box is actually cardboard so you can recycle it, because there's nothing worse than packaging that you just cannot recycle. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's in a really nice, you've got gold bits at the end, and then the packaging feels quite heavy, so it does feel really luxury. So you have your brow pencil on one side and then you've got your really nice little spoolie on the other side. Okay, so let's apply this brow product on. For some reason when I took this out of the box it had tester stuck on it, so I get if I think someone might have opened it, but luckily it's not been used, so that was very lucky. So I think this must have been a tester box, like when companies order a tester box, so that this product's meant to be specifically for as a tester, but oh well, as long as it ain't been used I don't mind. So just going to start filling them in. So I'm going to start with this side. Whoa, that is pigmented. Oh wow, that is so pigmented. It's actually nice for me to do a brow video now. If you guys saw my very first video of when I first did my eyebrows, they did not look nice at all. They looked really horrible. So I did not feel comfortable doing any brow reviews at all with the brows that they were, because I knew that they weren't great. Well, so far the product's going on really nicely. It's very pigmented. Might be a little bit warm for me. Might be a bit warm. Well, hence why it is called warm brown, I guess, but oh dear, I can't do brow hairs very well at the moment. Just use the spoolie just to blend the product out. Yeah, I'm really liking that. I'm liking how that's going in my brows. That's going in really nicely. It's nice just to do easy light strokes. Even though I can't do the hairs personally, I can't do hairs very well at the moment. Let's see how it goes to creating a tail. yeah, it creates a tail really well. But yeah, I'm really in love with this brow pencil. If you want a precise brow pencil that creates those really nice brow hairs, then you will love this. I haven't mastered that yet, but I really like how the brows come out. I know it's a little bit warm for me. Yes, it is. But ash brown seemed quite light and dark brown seemed really, really dark. So this was sort of like the middle-ish shade I could get. I mean, the end of my hair here, you can see is actually lighter, so it would sort of match the hair a little bit better. But I always have this problem where the dark of my head here is darker and this ends always seem to be lighter, so I always seem to have that problem all the time. I started doing the other eyebrow and then I realised that my camera wasn't recording, so I'm sorry about that. That was very helpful, very helpful. So I am just going to finish the rest of the eyebrow off, so we're just going to apply it. I know I've made a mess here, but I will be dealing with that. At first, when you look at the pencil, you think, oh, it looks a bit moldy, like it looks quite green, but when you apply it, it's absolutely fine. Because when I watch Steph Thompson's video, I can see what she means by when you look at the top of it, it looks a bit green, and you're like, oh, I hope this product ain't gone off, but it hasn't, it's fine. So we're going to see how well they clean up. So I'm just grabbing any concealer. So this is the Essence All About Matte High Coverage Concealer. I know they don't make this anymore, but this is just great just to use, just to clean up the eyebrows with. So just going to apply the product on the back of my hand. We're just going to see how well it cleans up the eyebrows. So I'm just going to start cleaning them up. Sorry if I get any in the hairs, because I'm only going to put brow gel on top anyway. So far it's cleaning up really well. It's not bunching up or anything. I like how that's cleaning up the eyebrow. It's really nice. Do the same to the front of the brow. I'm now going to do the same to the other eyebrow. So I'm just going to grab a little bit more of that product. Yeah, this is cleaning up really, really well. I know with some brow pencils I've used in the past, when you try and clean them up to create the sharp tails and stuff, they seem to bunch up and they don't seem to want to smoothen out very well. So we're going to try the brow gel now. So I have got the shade Warm Brown. Look at the spoolie. So the spoolie is very, very small, so very, very good for precision. I haven't cleaned my concealer off, and the reason being is because if you were to set your eyebrows in place and you accidentally make a mess, like here or underneath, you can just easily clean it up. That's why I always tend to do my eyebrows first. I know most people tend to do their foundation that first, just in case they catch their eyebrows, but I personally like to do my eyebrows first, because then I get proper control, and then if I've done eyeshadow and stuff, I can then just proper clean up underneath, because the eyeshadow will always tend to get in the way. Everything just seems to get in the way. So if I do that first, nothing gets in the way. So I'm going to start by setting it. Ooh, it feels very full on. I feel like it's making my eyebrows a little bit darker. Could just be me, or it could just be the product. No, it's the same colour as the pencil. I think it's where it says it's making it more fuller, it's actually adding a lot more product on the eyebrow to give that fuller effect. Ugh, see what I mean by mistakes? There. I do it all the time with my eyebrows. I'm going to do the same to the other eyebrow. It's really nice and small, so you can really get into those little gaps. I really like that brow gel. I felt like it created a lot more volume to my eyebrows. At first I was a bit like, is it making my eyebrows darker? Because I honestly thought it was making my eyebrows darker, but it really isn't. It was just creating a lot more volume to the brows. And personally, with this product, you could wear this on its own if you want a natural everyday brow. So if your eyebrows have been shapen and you don't want to add the pencil or stuff like that, you could just add this to the eyebrows, and you've pretty much got a natural eyebrow there, full of volume, full of colour, and you just don't have to fill them in or anything. It hasn't dried down, so it is still quite wet. I don't know whether this brow gel dries down or it stays a little bit wet. I'm not entirely sure. So I am just going to apply the rest of my makeup, and I'll keep you guys posted if the brow gel dries down or not. But so far, I'm loving how these brows look. Okay guys, so my rest of my makeup is completely done. The current time now is 7:14, so it's about 7:15. So for my eyebrows, they have completely dried down, so there's no smudging. My eyebrows have dried down, so they feel like they're completely set. So I really like these brow products. I really like them, and I really highly recommend them. So if you want a good affordable brow product you can use for precision, or something that's really good for setting or adding a bit of color, then yeah, I definitely would recommend those two brow products. They went on so easily, they cleaned up really easily, they were buildable. The only thing I'd have to say about the brow products is, be warned, once you put the brow gel on top of the pencil, if you try to go on top, so if you miss a gap or something and you just want to fill it in, it starts to budge up a bit. It will budge up and it will start to make it a little bit more patchy. So luckily I was able to save it, because I did notice a gap I missed out, so I tried to fill it in and it did go patchy. So I went over top again with the wax and it did fill it in. That's the only thing I have to say, but apart from that, I really love these brow products. So if you guys really have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.